In this video, I will be teaching you how you can buy Bitcoin on Fidelity. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Fidelity app and then log in your account. After that, first step you need to do is open up your crypto account. So for doing that, you need to click on this open or link account option from the dashboard of your screen. If you don't find this option, you can also try to click on this transact option from the bottom of your screen. And from this window, you can click on this open an account option. Then from this screen, you have to select your crypto trading option and then click on get started. Then you just have to click on this next button, and then you just have to select the account if you just want to open this account for you as an individual account, or if you want to open a joint account. So you have to select the option from here. Then you have to enter your employment status and then click on this next button. And once you follow the on-screen instructions, your crypto account will be opened. Once you have created your crypto account, you can click on this transact option from the bottom of your screen. Then from this section, you have to click on this transfer button, and then you just have to transfer some funds in your crypto account so that you can buy some crypto. So we will transfer some money. So just select your account in from section, and this in these two section you have to select your Fidelity crypto account and then enter some amount and transfer some money. Once you have some money in your crypto account, you can again click on this transact option from the bottom of your screen. Then this time you have to click on trade. And once you click on this trade button, it will show you the stocks and ETF and the cryptocurrencies that you can buy in your Fidelity account. Now from here you have to select the Bitcoin. And once you select the Bitcoin, it will show you this similar screen. From here you have to click on this buy button. And then you just have to enter the amount, how much you want to buy in your local currency, and then click on review. And lastly, you just have to click on confirm button, and that's it. Your Bitcoin will be purchased in your Fidelity. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.